What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. Today we're over Goldfinch or GFI, which is down 7.3% at $3.65. We have a $269 million market cap with 73 million coins in circulation out of 114. So roughly half the coins are in circulation. All-time high was 2 years ago at 32.94. All-time low was 11 months ago. If you would have bought on June 19th, 2023, you'd be up 11x on your investment. Currently available on the following markets: Coinbase, Get.io, BingX, MEXC, BitGet. So a lot of the big ones here. So if you want it, you can find it somewhere most likely. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on GFI. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into GFI here. We're to draw the lifelong fib and see where we're at from the high to the low right here. We got rejected right at the 618. And unfortunately, well, not unfortunately, we did actually break out of this downtrend right here that we were in since March 2024. But it does look like we just put in a lower high, which is the unfortunate part. On top of that, the MACD is looking like it's about ready to flip bearish. The RSI is starting to fall lower too. We don't want to put in a lower low on the RSI. And then the WTX is starting to fall down as well. So there's two different areas of support we want to focus on here in the short term for Goldfish. The first support area being the 618 right here at approximately $3. And I would say $3.10. Realistically, it's going to be $3 even, which if you draw even lower here, that's where you get the $3 area. But we're going to draw right here. Keep it at the 618 around 325 is going to be the next support area. And on top of that, if you draw the downtrend support, this would be the convergence area of our prior resistance flip support. So something like this could be the play here. We broke out of this downtrend that we're in. We haven't came back to confirm the breakout. So maybe that's a possibility right there. So keep that in the back of your mind. Possibility of heading back down to around 325 and then a push up higher from that point on to the 1236 at around 10. But right now, we really don't want to break below three. I would say $3 is your life support. If you break below $3, it's going to go much, much lower. Unfortunately, however, on this fib right here, we did get rejected the 786 on May 6th, which is causing this downtrend. So I do think in the short term, GFI is going to be retracing back down to that 618, which is another 12% drop. And I think that's going to be where it's going to be testing the prior breakout. And if we get a bounce off that 618, that's to be a confirmation of a bullish breakout. And the next rally should take us to around $10 from that point on. So I'm going to be slightly bearish here in the short term, but overall, if that 618 holds, I'm going to be bullish up to $10, and then we'll reassess the situation. Like I mentioned at the beginning, the lifelong fib, what we want to really focus on here, the moon line. The moon line for this coin is roughly at around that $6 range. If we get back above that lifelong 618 right there, we're officially in bullish territory, and then we can start possibly talking about making all-time highs. But that's just a little bit of hopium right there. So keep an eye on 650. 650 is your moon line. And like I mentioned, in the short-term time frame, keep an eye on $3 support, and then we could possibly see that rally up to 10. So with that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.